the dawn of the robot age, the city's in flame. Monsters march and heroes crumble, their strength now a name. The streets echo with metal and silence of fear as the robot cat rises, leading us near. Through the ruins we find hope in its glowing eyes. A new world starts where machines rule and we survive. Robot cat, our leader in neon lights, guides us through the darkness. In this new night, from the ashes we rise under its command. With the robot cat we stand in the heart of the storm. It shows us the way through the chaos it leads. With a steady sway from the ashes we rebuild under its reign. With the robot cat we remain. In the twilight, the city's reborn in its wake. The robot cat watches over the new break. Its eyes gleam a beacon in the night's embrace. In this era of machine we face. Through the ruins we find hope in its glowing eyes. A new world starts where machines rule and we survive. Robot cats are guardian in neon light, guides us through the shadows in this new fight. From the ashes we rise under its command. With the robot cat we stand in the heart of the storm. It shows us the way through the chaos that leads. With the steady sway from the ashes we rebuild under its reign. With the robot cat we remain.